So we have the following setup for achieving the purpose. RAN emulator is where the client app and device app stays. So in this case, we have multiple client applications, one of which is object detection and a tracking application, and the other is face recognition. So in the first application that I'm going to demonstrate, a stream of video that contains two subjects is streamed from the client app to the system, and the MEC app has to process on the input, and whenever a region of interest is detected, it has to relay it to the server. So here I'm running the app. Prior to doing everything, a context has to be created. So a GET request followed by a POST request should be done. It has sent it. The device app has received this request, and now the UALCM will receive it and forward it to the MECO. MECO, upon receiving, selects the appropriate MEC edge, directs the MEC edge to for application onboarding and running the application. Now the MEC edge should have started running the application. Here it is. As we are able to see, the MEC edge has started processing the input as it receives from the client app. Now, as soon as a person of interest is detected, hereby we have set it as the trigger. The trigger mechanism ensures that whenever a certain condition is met, the input is relayed to a server, to a remote level server. And as soon as the person is detected here, it is relayed on the server. Here it is. The server is successfully able to receive the packets from the MEC edge. So upon successful completion of the lifecycle application, we are ready to terminate it. Another application that is deployed on the system is a tracking application, wherein on the client side, a camera feed is streamed and that contains pedestrians moving around, and the MEC app on the MEC platform has to process the input such that it has to count the number of bounding boxes it finds, and the trigger there that we have set is the number of people. When the trigger reaches a certain threshold, we are relaying it to the server. So here, the application is currently rendering on the server when counter reaches 5.